let's quickly run through the process of downloading the Anaconda distribution and installing it. So, what's Anaconda? Anaconda is an open source software that contains Jupyter, Spider, etc. that are used for large data processing, data analytics, and heavy scientific computing. Now, Anaconda works for R and also Python programming languages. How do we get it? First, we need to go over to anaconda.com and then install the latest version of Anaconda. You click the download button where you have to double click the exe file and then click next. Click I agree, and then install for just me is recommended. You don't have to do all users. Click next. Then your installation location, click next. Ensure that you don't have any space between your name for the users. Let's say to just save you some errors in the future to come. Click next. You select the register Anaconda as my default Python 3.9 and then click install. You don't have to click on both of them. You don't have to add it to your path environment. You could just use this and then you click install. The installation process takes some time. You wait for a while. It will set up the entire package and then you click next on this page, after which you untick both options. You don't have to go to the cloud, but it's something you could explore later on your own, and then you click finish.